how to add a forum to your Clickup project. So here I've just simply logged into my Clickup account, and once we have logged in, we want to go to TeamSpace and select the project for which you want to add a forum. I will do the second one as an example. So I will simply click on it from the left hand side. And once we're taken to this page, we want to select the option for view. Once clicked on it, we will use the slider here to slide all the way down, and you should be able to see forum at the very bottom. So just click on it, and we can use trial forums here. So I'm just going to click on trial forum, and basically you can adjust it to your needs right here if you have a premium subscription for your Clickup account. Yeah, sorry. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.